I won. I did. I won. I didn't win at the club level, area level, division level, district level, but there was a Toastmasters special edition in planet Pluto. Don't believe these reports that Pluto is no longer a planet. Only humans from Earth say that. But I have an honorary citizenship in planet Pluto. And we had an intergalactic version of Toastmasters. Yes, I won. And I talked about the benefits of being a Toastmaster intergalactic level. And for sure, all of you will win with the rules in our planet. Yes. First of all, body language. Of course, I'm qualified. I'm overweight. I had more body than everybody else in Pluto. So, no need to be depressed. If you're overweight, even just 1/2 pound above the ideal weight, you have points for winning. Yes. So, Dimitri, who cares about your gym? Nobody from Pluto, okay? And then we have no vocal variety. We have voice modulation. Yes. But you also win special points. For those who are monotone, yes. We have the Golden Award. If you can actually finish a 10 to 12 minute speech, Bierski, you have to try this. In pure monotone, 10 to 12 minutes in pure monotone. And you must stand as stiff as a statue. There, see, I practiced, but it's not for me. There. And we have, of course, the importance of using the right words. Personally, I encourage everybody to please unlearn. What is this in Toastmasters? Word of the day. They give such ridiculous words that we will never use in this lifetime. So we made it easy in our intergalactic Toastmasters edition. All the words. Again, I challenge incoming PQD from Bielski. All the words in monotone and statue body should all be. I will repeat it again for the second time, once more, this time with feeling over and over again. As Dorothy said, I am your mother. Listen to me. All the words must be only one syllable. Ah, one syllable, Tom Bielski. And so I encourage everybody here to take the lead. I can see Tom is nodding yes. We will all join the intergalactic version of Toastmasters, and we run it only every leap year. So see you there the next February 29. Love from Manila, Wamwamwa.